So if a wife bought a house before marriage and he has a mortgage house to pay mortgage on that house, and after that he is not able to work anymore for some reason, which is responsibility of her husband since he is living with her in that house? Whether does he has responsibility to pay that mortgage, or he doesn't have any responsibility regarding that?
I should like to explain. I should like you to explain this question further. I'm not very sure of what you're wanting. Repeat your question with particular imaginary names, for instance. Right?
For example, I bought a house before I got married, and I worked.
You got married?
For example.
Oh, no, don't name this.
Name.
Yes, I said give somebody some name.
Okay. Lady bought a house before married.
Yes.
He was working, and she bought a house and she paid mortgage.
She was working.
She was working.
Yes.
And she bought a house and she paid her mortgage.
Right.
And then when she got married, after a while, she is not able to work anymore. So she has a mortgage and some another debit to pay. Whether her husband has any responsibility to pay this since he is living with her in her house?
No, he doesn't have any responsibility for whatever she has done before. And if the house is lost to the housing society or something, or the government, whatever the case may be, in that case, it is the loss of husband as well. So, out of understanding with his wife, he can of course join in paying the debt, but not legally, neither legally nor according to Islamic Sharia, he is bound to do that.